Hi guys, so now
Hi guys, today I will teach you how to create Pinterest graphic, okay? So if you're into Pinterest marketing, you have to know that graphics is very important in Pinterest, okay? So I'll show you here. Here is my Pinterest account and you can see here, these are the Pinterest pins, okay? So if you notice anything, the pins here are usually vertical, okay? These are long pins, okay? These are the pins that do well on Pinterest. Okay, these are long pins. If you can see here, this short pin, it looks ugly. Okay, short pins like this does not look good. Okay, so the pins that you want are long pins like this. Okay, 50 genius mom business ideas. Okay, because they are very eye catching. Okay, and also if you notice anything, um, pins, okay, are usually, there's a lot of color pink, okay? It's because most users of Pinterest are women, okay? And they like the color pink here on Pinterest, okay? And if you notice the pins, they're very feminine in style, okay? You can see here very feminine photos, okay? Color pink, lots of cursive and pink and lots of pictures of flowers and pink notebooks, okay? So that is the style of Pinterest pins, okay? So now let's go back to Canva. And you can see here there's a template for Pinterest graphic. Okay, so if you can see here the size, it's 735 pixels by 1102 pixels. Okay, so we will not be using that size. Okay, I will show you why. So let's just click this Pinterest graphic template. Okay, and as you can see here, there are many different templates. Okay, so let's just choose one. Okay, so here's an example of Pinterest graphic template, and I will show you why it's not advisable to use this size. Okay, so let's go here to my Pinterest account, and you can see here that this one, okay, which is the same as this one, okay, it looks short. Okay, it does not look that good because it's short. Okay, it's a short pin. It's better to have like this, how to make squeeze pages using templates. This is a long pin, okay? This is ideal for Pinterest because it is better to have long pins on Pinterest because it's much more noticeable, okay? Because short pins, small pins, they get ignored, okay? Pins have to be vertical, okay? So I advise you that this is the size for Pinterest graphic dimensions, okay? So I'll just show you the size. It's 441 pixels by 1199 pixels, okay? This is my recommended size for Pinterest graphic so that you will have a long pin, okay? 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Alright? So, as you can see here in Canva, that is not the size of Pinterest graphic. Okay? So, we will be using custom dimensions. Okay? So, you can see here, create a design. Okay, just click create a design. And then you can see here on the upper right corner, there is use custom dimensions. So, just click that, okay, and then the size is 441 by 1199. So let's type that 441 and the height is 1199 and then click design. Okay, so this is going to be a custom dimension. Alright,